Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, GustysPlants, and today I have an unboxing, a Hoya unboxing. This is from the vendor HomesteadPlants. I follow them on Instagram, and I actually started following back Instagram Hoya sellers because I started buying Hoyas again. Yeah, this is from HomesteadPlants, and this is a Hoya that I've never seen before. I never heard of before, and I believe it's like a FINLAYSONII type of Hoya. The variegation and the color, the shape of the leaf looks like a FINLAYSONII, but it's actually a cultivar of another plant. I'm not sure, but if you're interested in seeing what Hoya I got, it's just one. Just keep on watching. I'm actually recording this video with a microphone right here. It's a Blue Yeti mic. So let me know in the comments below if you guys hear a difference in the audio, because like I said, I have a lot of dogs and I have a lot of like neighbors close by, and so I pick up a lot of their sounds. So hopefully the microphone kind of like blurs them out and only focuses on my voice. But anyway, so here is HomesteadPlants. This is what you can expect if you order from them. So the first thing, you get a little card, which is their, I guess, their business card. You also get a thank you for your order, which is very nice. And then you get your invoice right here. And now we get to the good part, which is the Hoya. Now, seeing from pictures online, I read the description and it said that the plant that you might receive, it's not necessarily the plant in the picture, but it's similar to the plant pictured. So, let's see. I actually like it when I get a lot of paper like this because I can reuse it for when I do Hoya swaps. So yes, if you're interested in doing Hoya swaps with me, let me know in the comments below, or also follow me on Instagram and send me a message with the Hoyas that you have available for swap, and then I'll give you my list, and if we're, you know, if we match, we can do a swap. But a lot of paper. Here is the plant. Here's the Hoya. I'm very interested in seeing how this Hoya looks because, like I said, I've never seen it before. I don't really know the texture. I don't know if it's gonna be like a thick Hoya, or did it arrive dead. Right now, it's pretty good time to order Hoyas because, as opposed to when it's winter, right now it's not. So Hoyas arrive pretty good. Excited. Okay, here it is. I am seeing a little tendril right here on the side. You guys could see it right here, right there. But so here is the Hoya. It's the feeling when you're opening like a new Hoya that it gets you so much. Oh my god, it's beautiful, guys. Look at this baby. I'm gonna do a close-up, guys. Baffled by this Hoya, guys. Oh my god, it reminds me of my Hoya IRINA. Like, the leaves are shiny, glossy, they're super veiny. There's a very slight splash on them. Wow. And the tendril looks very happy. It's growing you a new pair of leaves on the top. But look at the veining on this Hoya, guys. Wow, I am impressed. This just looks beautiful. Hoya CB Nui, that's the name of it. Wow, guys, this is incredible. I am baffled. Oh my god, guys, this was such a good find. I never heard of it before, and when I saw it on the description and when I saw pictures of it, I was like very impressed because I've never seen anything like it. It's similar to my Hoya IRINA and my Hoya FINLAYSONII, but this is just, the leaves are just very nice and thick. Super nice, guys. Wow. And the name of this Hoya is Hoya cultivar Nui, N-U-I. I'll leave the name tag on the screen. Looks beautiful. Let me go ahead and actually unwrap it and see what substrate is in, because a little ASMR for you guys. Just a little ASMR. Okay, so it arrived in a very nice substrate. I would actually use this substrate in a regular potting mix soil with it looks very chunky and airy, which I really like. Guys, I'm super impressed with this Hoya. This is gonna go right in my green box, and I'm gonna just put it in there and see if it grows. But oh my god, I am super impressed with this Hoya, and I recommend you guys to look it up, and if you find it, purchase it because it's beautiful. If you like thick beans, thick Hoyas glossy just like this one, go ahead and check it out, guys. You guys will not be disappointed. And also check HomesteadPlants. Her prices are not the cheapest, but they're also very affordable, especially if you're looking for like a rare Hoya that you've never heard of before. I think it's worth to, you know, give it a look and check. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Kapung arigato gozaimashita. And if you guys like the new microphone, also leave me a comment down below. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. I am at 1,500, so that's really nice. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to water your plants, drink tea, wear sunscreen, and give love to your plants.